Hey, how's it going? So as you can see here, I got two more boxes of 2017 Topps Triple Threads baseball. Go ahead and rip into these right now. Excited. Triple Threads is nice this year. Let's see what we get. So far, I only ripped two boxes. Usually go for a case right off the bat, but I decided to wait this year. See what it looks like. It's very reminiscent of last year's. But still, it's got some Bellinger this year, so gets me interested. And there's some nice Dodger rookies. Get set up over here. All right, wish me luck. Pack number one. Let's see what we get. Still haven't gotten any bricks yet in my boxes. Hoping to get a brick at some point. All right, started off. Nice Albert Pujols to 150. Nice looking card there. I'll zoom in. Like how they're shiny this year. Base. Parallels. 250 Sandy Koufax. Machado. Bogarts. Max Scherzer. And do the flip. Mookie Betts to 27. Nice looking card there. And the auto. On card, Ryan Healy. Nice looking card there. To 50, 31 of 50. Nice. Not a bad start. Let's see what we get in this one. Feels a little thicker than the last one, but I might be wrong. Yeah, a little thicker. There's kind of a thicker card back there, which might be the jersey or bat. So here's Ronnie Johnson. Rondy Johnson 340. Johnny benched 50. Nice looking card there. I think I like the golds the most, the 150s. Hank Aaron. Don Mattingly, Chipper Jones, and I'm going to do a flip to the heavier one, the bigger one. Ooh, it is not. It's a Randall Grichuk. Unfortunately, it's a Cardinal. Womp womp. Just kidding. 1 of 10. Nice card there. Dodger fan, not a Cardinal fan, but nice card. Nice. Looks like part of the U, maybe. It's a pretty nice hit there. I like that. Behind that, Ichiro, nice, 27. Triple relic there. Nice. Great box. Got a nice patch auto there, nice Ichiro. All right, let's go to box number 2. Go. This one feels, I don't know, go this one. I like to try and save the heavier ones. This one feels a little heavier, I think, than the other pack. All right, let's see what we got here. Nice, Corey Seager to 99. Like that. Byron Buxton to 250. George Springer. Beltre. Lindor and flip. Piscotty, another Cardinal. Never pull enough Dodgers. It's always Mets or Cardinals or Diamondbacks. Behind that, and that Piscotty is to 75. Nice. Javier Baez. 36. Those World Baseball Classic cards. Those are pretty cool. Nice. Still no Dodgers, other than the Corey Seager. Last pack. Got a bit of a thicker card on the back there when I flip it. It's got to 99, Daniel Murphy. McGuire to 250. Cutchin. Matt Kemp. Arrieta. And Miguel Cabrera. Part of the pant leg or sleeve. Nice. 1 of 9. It's pretty neat. And the auto, Miguel Sano to 99. Which luck would have it, I pulled a Sano redemption, and I think my first 2 boxes already redeemed. So there you go, nice triple auto relic there. That auto looks pretty cool, I have to say. In the reflection, you can actually see the indentation, which is kind of cool. Nice looking auto there. I don't know if you can see the indentation, but it's kind of cool. Sweet, thanks for watching this 2-box break. 2017 Topps Triple Threads. Catch y'all later. Peace.